Hi everybody, welcome to Friendship Shaving. Thanks so much for joining me today. I've got some items to show you that I've purchased, and I've got an intriguing little free gift from Chris Spencer at Backroads Gold. So a little gift of friendship there. I have no clue what that is. It's flat. So it's definitely not a razor. But anyway, I have a little tale to tell. I bought this a little while ago. Now the razor it came with was broken. And I didn't know that when I bought it. When I got it, here's the razor. And I asked the gentleman for a partial refund and he flat refused. I tried a couple of times to do that, and then I wrote to the guy and said, look, I might get eBay involved in this, and in the end he contacted eBay and they found in my favour, so I got all my money back, at which point the gentleman called me a thief and informed me that he was coming round to kick the living daylights out of me because it was just what I deserved. So, I wrote back and said, well, when you sold me a broken razor, knowing it was broken, and took all my money, and I said I did ask for a partial refund. All you had to do was show willing and give me a little bit of money back. It doesn't matter, he replied, you're still a thief. So, I have this beautiful case, and I got all the money back, which allowed me to buy a new razor for the case. And I've got that today, and I've opened up the box already. Here is the razor. It is a G4 Gillette Slim Aristocrat, beautifully replated by Chris at Backroads Gold. Comes in a little box like this. Beautiful, absolutely flawless. And we're going to pop that in the case. And there we are. That is my 1961 Gillette Aristocrat Slim. G3 was the first date code that they brought out this set. So I've got G4. So yeah, 1961. Very, very pleased with this. I've wanted one of these for a long time. So yeah, I saved up and got one. I'm fortunate to have that little bit of bother. I didn't know whether that razor could be mended or not, but I saw that razor on Chris's website and I just thought I'm going to get that now before anybody else does, because the date fits it perfectly in my set. So I'm very pleased with that despite the hassle. And Chris very kindly popped this in the box. I've got no idea what it is, none at all. Let me see if I can get a little knife or something out of the kitchen drawer here. Super kind of Chris to put this in. Chris, thank you so much. Apparently it's a Gillette collectible. Oh, look at this. Look at this, guys. It's a little, oh, look at that. It's a little Gillette knife. I assume for opening packages or envelopes. I've never seen one of these before, guys. Never seen one of these. I have no idea how, or even if that blade comes out. I assume it must do. Look at that, it's even got Gillette, you maybe can't see. Let me see. There we are. It's even got Gillette written on a little plastic cover. I wonder what date this is. How awesome is this? Made in the USA. Made in USA Gillette. Guys, I don't know how this comes out at all. No, I've not a clue. But this, what a lovely thing. Thank you, Chris, if you're watching this video. That is a beauty. Awesome. So, two beautiful Gillette items and a lovely gift of friendship. Now, I've never seen one of those before. That is awesome. Really brilliant. And I've just got one other thing that I bought to show you. Excuse me, having a drink. Oh, got a little drop of Diet Coke today. No sugar, you see. I bought this just the other day. Been after one of these for a little while. Got a favour to ask as well. This came, when this arrived this morning, is the most well wrapped package that I've ever received in my whole life. It took me absolutely ages to get into it. Now what I've bought, oh, that's in nice condition. A few marks and scratches on it. But yeah, pretty good. So what I've bought is a Wilkinson Sword razor, but probably not the one you might be thinking of. There we are, look. So it comes with, there we are, look, it's got a Wilkinson Sword inside the lid there. I didn't know that picture had that in it. So that's nice. The original leaflet, look. Wilkinson Sword self-stropping razors. Now I've had a look online for this, and hey, it says here, this is by appointment to His Majesty King George VI, Sword Cutlass, Wilkinson Sword Company Limited. That's brilliant. I've been looking for ages, I would like a Wilkinson Sword straight razor. I know they used to make them, but this is from 1951. Now I find it incredible to think that they were still making this in 1951. This style of razor, you can see we've gone from the, if you know anything about Wilkinson Sword safety razors, they used to have a roller bar here. And the idea was that as you shaved, the bar would roll and it would keep the lather on your face. But by 51, they've gone over to a solid bar. This will need a little bit of a clean. If I unscrew the handle there's a spring in that, something happened, it just popped open. Maybe that is for stropping. It moves forward. Something, there we go, that's moving on the side. As you can tell, guys, I'm going to have to read that instruction booklet because I don't know how it works. But yeah, this is 1951. That's what that does. It unclips that. And you can put the blade in. Now, I think, although there doesn't seem to be a lot of room in here, I think they are still using the old type of hollow ground blade at this point, because you can strop it yourself, obviously. It's a little bit dirty here, but we've got the strop. That is packed into there. I wonder if this is a Wilkinson Sword strop, because this seems a little tight, that. I don't know, guys, it doesn't say Wilkinson Sword on there anywhere, but we have a strop that I will let hang and condition that, and I'm hoping, although I don't think there is, no, there's no blade in here, so I've got a razor without a blade. So the favour I'd like to ask, if you have an original blade that may fit in this 1951 Wilkie Sword razor, would you sell it to me, please? Because I would really like to try and have a shave with this. I think it is quite an intriguing little razor. Obviously it moves like that to strop it, but very interesting indeed. So that's what I've got, guys. That's it from me. Let me know if you can help me out with that one. Love this. Love this. And love my aristocrat. That's all from me, fellas. Take care of yourselves. All the best. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.